This video shows the tests carried out with the SalryWorks NDI Positioner or Hot Head and Converter model NBOT and the JVC GYHM series cameras. The NBOT can support small video cameras weighing up to 2.5 kilos such as the JVC GYHM 170, GYHM 180, and GYHM 250. In specifications, the NBOT supports 1080-60 progressive resolution that encodes in full NDI signal. Movement control is carried out by NDI or IP protocol and has 9 camera position memories. The test carried out has been done with 1080-50 interlaced resolution to obtain greater fluidity in movement even when the camera is recording at 4K 25p. The 1080 interlaced signal is a signal that JVC's 4K GYHM handheld camera series can output through its HDMI connector even if its recording mode is in 4K or HD 50p resolution. This is possible by scaling your output to 1080 interlaced in the AV camera menu. The NBOT has a LANC connection to control the camera lens compatible with JVC cameras, GYHM 170, GYHM 180, and GYHM 250. The GYHM 170 and GYHM 180 models are limited to LANC control where, through the NBOT app, zoom and focus control are available in addition to exposure or iris recording and display. There is the drawback that the control functions of the NBOT app do not show the camera status. This makes the operator's work difficult, who must make adjustments without data and intuitively. Even so, the control is viable with a little practice. Manual adjustments work in balanced mode, increasing the value to the right and reducing it to the left to automatically return to the center point, but without showing any indication, the only reference being the camera image itself. Pressing the auto exposure button adjusts the level momentarily to switch to manual mode once adjusted. The display and recording buttons work correctly with the GYHM series. The problem is that if the option to output control indications in OSD image is activated to make it visible, these indications also appear in the NDI signal, therefore, they are functions that cannot be practically monitored. The absence of indications and the control limitations of the app on the camera is undoubtedly an inconvenience to be able to make live adjustments through this app. A safe and practical alternative will be the use of the excellent resources to work in automatic mode offered by the cameras from JVC's GYHM series. With new text-free application NDI Studio Monitor, the positioning function works seamlessly with natural tracking based on the operator's actions with the interface. The same goes for the position memories and even the zoom control where it works its right. Unfortunately, the exposure function generates an error in the NBOT in manual mode that does not allow control by LANC in JVC cameras. Therefore, with this control interface, you can only work with exposure in automatic mode. This occurs with version 2.1.2 of NBOT tested in this video. If the integration is carried out with the GYHM 250, and it is connected via IP for camera control, the set raises its level to another dimension, since thanks to the connectivity of the GYHM 250 there is a professional control panel via web, for adjustment of camera parameters, with image monitor, linear zoom adjustment and 3 zoom memories accessible by mouse click with speed adjustable by menu. With the GYHM 250 you can also use physical control panels via IP such as the RMLP 100, RMLP 250M, or RMLP 250S. For more information about these products, contact official distributors. Thanks for watching this video.